YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with another Bible sketch notes, journaling, whatever you want to call it. And this is the overview of the Old Testament, and we've already went through all the books of the law. We are now currently under the books of the history. We already did Joshua, Judges, Ruth, so now we're going to do 1 Samuel. And so we're coming right along again. I am no artist, but I do what I can just to visually represent, leaving this behind for my grandson who likes to draw, and hopefully he'll be able to relate and understand anything that I put in here to help him better understand the scriptures, as well as my own children. So this is dedicated to him. So I am going to do an overview like we did of all the other previous books that we've done before. Just an overview of the book of 1 Samuel. And so I will put this on the fast forward and you will be able to see me work. Alrighty, so I am back and I am done, and I just did a very simple page for Mr. Samuel, 1 Samuel, and what I did was I just wrote over who the author was and the key verses and stuff. So let me read that right quick. So it's 1 Samuel. Keys, the word is transition, because this is all about transition. Verses 1 Samuel 8:13-14 and 1 Samuel 15:22 and chapter 15. The author is Samuel the seer. When he dies, we believe that Abiathar, the priest, was most likely the person who finished the book. And then so look at the focus of it. Half of it's about Samuel, the other half is about Saul. The vision, again, the first part is the first transition of leadership, which is went from Eli, to Samuel at that time, and then we see the judgeship of Samuel. And then the second division would be the second transition of leadership, which was from Samuel to Saul in his reign, and then the third and final transition in this book was from Saul to David. So the topic is the decline of the judges, which we just finished right before Ruth. We talked about the 12 judges. And we highlighted in that section. We did Samson, Gideon, and Deborah. Of course, there was 12. But the decline of judges, and then we have Eli and Samuel, and then the rise of kings, Saul and David. The location was in Canaan, and it was a 94-year period. So that is what I have today for the book of Samuel, my overview. And I'm going to date it, and today is it 6th or 7th? I think it's the 7th, yeah. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to read your word, draw it, memorize it, sketch it, write about it, preach about it, talk about it. Get it in your head, whichever way works best for you to remember it, to retain it. If you have any artistic abilities, I do not. But I am, well, I'm not going to say I do not. I'm working on it, I'm learning. But if you have any artistic abilities where you can draw it freely. I am just doing what I can do. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe, and I dare you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.